Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate WooCommerce with Hostinger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we are going to go ahead and be doing is opening up our WooCommerce website. So depending if you're using WordPress with WooCommerce or whatever you're using, maybe directly from the WooCommerce application, it's going to depend on how you're going to be using Hostinger, but the process is more or less the same. As you can see right here on our WordPress website, we have hosting overview where we can go and take a look at our hosting options, but what we can do directly is go to hostinger.com/WooCommerce hosting. It's going to enable us to manage our store with an AI agent, and this is going to enable us to set up WooCommerce with Hostinger. So it's going to give us the free domain and website migration, the quick setup, the fully managed maintenance for WooCommerce, and 24/7 customer support. And here you can go and take a look at the price for this. So you can go and take a look at what the price is per month, and if you want to go ahead and use this deal, click claim deal. This is going to take you to this page right here from where you can get started with selecting what plan you want to use, and from here you can get started proceeding to the next page to continue with connecting Hostinger with your WooCommerce store. You can view all the features and how to get started, and all of that is doable right here. Once you have connected those two, if you're using WordPress, you can go and manage your hosting overview. You can get started with connecting Hostinger as well to your website to set it up for yourself, and you can use your plugins for WooCommerce here as well if you need any of them. But this is how to get started with connecting your WooCommerce with Hostinger. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.